Yeah, I think, the most significant technology shift that I've seen, and there's been a number I've seen in my long career in construction, but the real-time collaboration between the field and the office. Technology we have today allows us to communicate between the field and the office real time. Everything from entering time on a daily basis, where that used to be a weekly task. Handwritten timesheets have been replaced by, time being done on a mobile device, be it be it your phone, be it your tablet, iPad, etc. And the ability to capture that real time has allowed the business to have, what we will call real-time job costing. And real-time, the definition of real-time job costing has changed over the years. Real-time job costing used to mean after time was submitted for the previous week and payroll was processed and posted, that was quote unquote real time. Today, with the technology that exists, when I send the time in from the field today, even though payroll won't be run until next week, that time is reflected on the job cost reports immediately. So management, project managers, field superintendents, they have real-time visibility into where their job is going, and they're not a week to 10 days behind in that. So I think that is probably the most significant shift in technology I've seen, is the ability to collaborate. Yeah, so some of the biggest challenges the industry faces today, I think probably at the top of the list is a labor shortage. And construction's been, faced with this for some time now. We've known we have an aging population in the workforce, and we have more people aging out than are coming in. And, technology is going to help us in a number of different ways. One, to attract young people into the industry, we have to provide them with technology tools. If we're to ask you know, a young worker to join the construction industry and go out in the field and have to manually fill out their timesheet as an example, or manually complete a daily field report versus doing it on their phone, we're not going to attract the right people into the industry. So one, we need to use technology to attract people into the industry. We need to use technology as individual contractors to attract those people to our specific companies. And then we need to use technology to do some of the things that used to require manual labor. Yeah, so when I look to the future, some of the things that excite me, the most about how things are going to evolve is just the continued use of technology. Contractors, kind of flipping the script from kind of a maybe slightly behind the times to maybe getting on the leading edge of technology, and we're starting to see that. And I think historically, construction industry was a little bit slow to adapt some of the things that came out, whether it be the cloud or or AI, other things. But now we're seeing the value in that, and we're really kind of flipping the script, and it's really exciting to see what contractors are excited about today, and realizing what they can do with the data, and they don't have to spend all the time compiling the data. They've got real-time analytics being provided, and it allows them to make intelligent, proactive decisions. And that's really what kind of excites me the most, is when I hear contractors talk about what they know today and how that's going to impact the decision they make today, instead of that's going to affect a job that is ongoing today, and instead of having to wait until that job is over and see how we did. And the fact that we can do that, continue to build the great things that we do. I mean, when you see the work that we do as an industry as a whole, I mean, the construction industry is a very proud group, and they do some fantastic things. And I think technology is going to help us do even better at what we do.